I'm Jasmine with WTI, and this is my 3-tier rolling cart from Toolf. I got the green color. It's a really soft minty green. It's very pretty. Great for an office, a kid's room. In my case, I used it for a while in my bedroom, and now I'm going to roll it over to the nursery to put some things on there for our diaper station. It also has a brake, so if you want to keep it stationary, you would just flip that little knob down. So I'm going to set it up next to my diaper changing area. We don't have a lot of room on there, so this little cart is going to hold all the wipes and the diapers, as well as some burp cloths. I'm gonna put some diaper cream and lotion, things like that, a change of clothes, some onesies, and it's just some extra things down at the bottom, so they'll be nice and accessible for when I'm changing the baby's diaper. I have everything I need right here, but it doesn't have to stay in his room forever, which is nice. We can roll it around the house for different purposes when we need it. So if you're in the market for a way to organize and store your things, but still be able to take them from room to room as you need to, definitely check out this rolling cart from Toolf. You're gonna love it. It's so convenient, and that's my point of view.